Hello students. Today we will learn about present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense means perfect plus continuous tense. Means when the work has started in the past and still going on, and time is given when the work has started. Helping verb of this tense is has been or have been. To form present perfect continuous tense positive sentences, first we write the subject, then has been or have been, then verb with ing form, then object, then since or for plus time. When we use since or for, we use since with a point of time. Point of time means since Monday, since 2005, since morning, since 5 o'clock, since his birthday, since 1st March, and so on. We use for with a period of time. Period of time means time duration, such as for 2 days, for 3 years, for 5 hours, and so on. Example, Mohan's mother has been waiting for him since morning. Mr. Gupta has been working in this office for 10 years. They have been living in Kolkata since 2005. I have been studying in this school since 1st July. To form present perfect continuous tense negative sentences, first we write subject, then has not been or have not been, then verb with ing, then object, then since or for, then time. Remember that not we use between has been or have been. For example, Mohan's mother has not been waiting for him since morning. Mr. Gupta has not been working in this office for 10 years. They have not been living in Kolkata since 2005. I have not been studying in this school since 1st July. Now, interrogative sentences. As we know, there are two types of interrogative sentences. First, the sentences which begin with helping verb, which we answer in yes or no. Second, the sentences which we begin with question word, that is what, who, why, etc. First, the sentences which begin with helping verb, which we answer in yes or no. To form these sentences, remember, first we write has or have, then subject, then been. Means subject we write between has been or have been. Once again you see, has or have plus subject plus been. Then verb with ing form, then object, then since or for, then time, and then question mark. For example, has Mohan's mother been waiting for him since morning? Has Mr. Gupta been working in this office for 10 years? Have they been living in Kolkata since 2005? Have you been studying in this school since 1st July? Now, second, the sentences which begin with question word, that is what, who, why, etc. To form these sentences, first we write WH. WH means question word, then has or have, then subject, and then been. Then verbs ing form, then object, then since or for, then time, then question mark. For example, who has been waiting for him since morning? Here subject is removed, that's why instead of subject who is written. That's why has been is written together. But in second sentence you can see, where has Mr. Gupta been working for 10 years. How long have they been living in Kolkata? I think you understood present perfect continuous. In my next video, I will tell you past simple tense. Thanks for watching this video.